Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. The things as you all know, we have started Liquid 50 series where we're going to solve 50 SQL problems that will definitely help you to crack any SQL interviews. So, lead code we are using, which will have numerous number of problems that will help you to increase your problem solving skills. So in this series we have already covered 40 videos till now. If you have watched those videos, go to my channel, check out the Lead Code SQL 50 series playlist where you will be seeing all the codes organized in a sequential manner. You can just go through one by one. So now we are in the 41 video. So the problem number is 602. Find request to who have most friends. So find request friends we have most requests is called as we have to find here. So let's see the table. They have given request accepted table. They have requester id and acceptor id and accepted date on which they have accepted, like that. So combination of requester id and acceptor id is the unique values here, which is the primary key for this table. This table actually contains the ID of a user who sent the request and ID of the ID of the user who received the request and the date which the request was accepted, like that. So now what they're asking us to find is write a solution to find out the people who have the most friends and the most friend number and the most friend numbers. So these are the things they're asking. The test cases are generated so that one person have the most friends. So test cases are there to understand a bit better. So request accepted table, requester ID, acceptor ID, and accepted date. Requester is one requester, uh, accepted two, three, next requester two, three, accepted three, four. So first user ID is there. So one requester is there, 2 is accepted. So see, person with 3 ID accepted 2 requests. The person to accept one requester ID, one request ID, person 3 accept one request ID and 2 request ID also. Accepted this acceptor ID, some person has accepted 2 requests. So the person with ID 3 is a friend of people of 1 and 2 and 4. So see, request ID. This also person is also accepted his request. So see, as a requester also uh, as a acceptor also he have based upon the acceptance he have one follower. Based upon the acceptance, based upon the requester acting as a requester, he has one friend. Acting as a requester, he has two friends. Acting as an acceptor, he has two friends. So moreover, the ID with three person have three friends. Okay, one, two, and four are the friends of requester ID three. So person ID with three. So has three friends in total. So the most number of than the any others. So if it is a other first follower, he has one, two, only two friends are there for requester one, and for requester two, one and two. This is also accepted his request. This is also a friend. So for one we have two things. For user ID one we have two friends. For user ID two we have two friends. But for user ID three we have three friends. So that is the greatest number of followers he has for that person. So that is a ID three. ID three and number three. Three times three friends we have. So this is how we have to get. The question is simple, but see how we can solve this particular kind of thing. Accept date is not needed, so just accepted is a extra thing. So it's in the same table, same person act as a requester and acceptor. So for that we can use like union all. Union all. Why we are using is means if we use a union to get the request ID and accept ID both from the request table. Union selects only unique values, so we have to use union all so that will give uh, like repetition also instead of unique values. So let me just have like simple select. First we have to get one person as a request. How many and how many user IDs, like that. Combinations as ID from which table? This table. Same person, right? So same person as acceptor ID is also an ID only. So union or the same, but this time acceptor ID. Getting all the things. So let me just run this. What we'll get, we'll see. Absolutely feel wrong answer. Let me see. So now, how many times the user having as a requester and acceptor, both the things I have gotten as an union all. Okay. So without I haven't used union. If you use union, only unique values it will give. You need to get all the values. Let me have this with like a CTA, common table expression. Let me just store this result set into one. Okay, just like CTA. From this we have to use it later on like that. So now I am having my actual query. So now we have like ID and also number, right? The how many times it repeated, that is count of that ID they are asking. So that one also I am writing here. So the aliasing name they have given like a right number. So now I am taking that from CTE, that is top we have written. How many times it repeated? I'm grouping with ID and also ordering it with number, how many times it repeated like that, and descending order. So only one user which is greater they want, right? So if I just order with group by and then can leave it given like limit one, so that is nothing but top order will get. That's the most highest order which I have get from here. If you see the test case have run it right previously, test results if you see previously. So these are all the things. If you see three times got repeated, right? If you see two, only two times got repeated. If you see four, only once, two is one. So highest order of repetition of will get ID, right? So that simple. First we have taken as all the things which have only once. So both IDs have taken union all, and from that order with the number decreasing order and limit one I have given. So that simple we have getting like greatest number of friends we have for that user ID, maybe as accept or requested. So this is how it's accepted. If you have any other case you can solve this problem, let me know in the comment section. That will definitely help other viewers so to get understanding of this problem. And that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this problem, let me know in the comment section. We're definitely happy to reply your comments and give a supporting comment, so that will definitely help and boost our confidence to give such videos to you. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.